Hi, it is all here again from Money, and today's video I will show you two sites where you can earn really good money working from home. These two sites are transcription. You can earn up to $120 per video hour. Now if you like my videos, please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and let's get into it. The first source that I want to bring to you today is called 1888. Type it up. It is a transcription job website where you can go on and get jobs for yourself to start pretty much immediately. Now with this website, they have been around for a long time. Very reputable. When you get a chance, jump into it and have a good look, and I will go through it quickly now and I will show you exactly what it's about. I really like it very much. On the phone screen it says apply here, we are currently hiring, and there are jobs available there are on their site, which is fantastic. What I want to show you quickly is what they are actually paying on this site, and again they also claims that they are one of those sites that pays above their sort of award standard compared to a lot of other sites. As you can see here, they are transcription pay rate. The most frequently asked question by applicants is how much do you pay? Also, our focus is on quality and accuracy. We understand the practicality of knowing whether our transcription work will be worth your while. Our transcriptionists make $13 to $180 per edit hour. So remember, it is per edit hour, not per hour. So when they give you an hour worth of video, depending on that video, different types of video that they give, you will get paid $13 to $180 per edit hour, which is decent amount of money there, and they strive to pay at least $2 to $3 per edit minute, which is fantastic. 30 minutes you will get $16 per edit hour. And the good thing about this company is they have actually got a little disclaimer here, which says that they are actually fighting against other transcription companies that refusing to pay above the wall. So as you can see, they are paying between $13 and $180, and there is a lot of companies paying between $10 and $24 per edit hour. It requires equipment. It will go through and let you know what you need. You need a computer, and you will need to be able to listen to the audio, and you will need Office 365, so you will need the right equipment to be able to do the job. And as you see here, to work for us, a computer, Express Scribe, a full pedal is completely optional and not required. You can go through and have a look. It tells you exactly what you need with this particular company. I saying that only one that charges you $13 fee, and that fees for them to go through and pass your exam. So what is suggest you do is go through and have a look, and there is a lot of places online that you can actually have a look to see what that exam is and how much it costs. And another good thing about this site is for international applicants, we do accept non-US applicants. If you are outside the United States, you can work for them. They have many clients outside of the United States. Getting work is not a problem. So that is the first site where you can earn money from home and make money online. And the second site that I want to talk to you about is called Babbletype, and this site is another transcription company. It is been around for a long time. They also pay really good money and benefits of working for this company. As you can see, you can work from home. You get paid weekly, which is fantastic. And again, they will pay you through PayPal and Payoneer and all different types of payment platform that they offer. Good thing about, you can grow your skills. They will teach you everything that you need to know. And if you are looking to work outside of the US, use this particular site. However, they do prefer that you speak the native tongue in the country that you are in. So if you are in a country that speaks other languages than English, they will prefer for you to speak that language fluently as well, which is high. And you need to be obviously language proficient in English, and that their native language. All you need to do is to learn. That will take you through to their page to apply. And again, that site is Babbletype. It is another fantastic site where you could be earning really good money transcribing from home. Our service: transcription, translation, content analysis, and many more. And all you need to do is to apply in that site and start earning money from home. And again, that site is babbletype.com. And I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.